And if the bears are exhausted, even when we have negative news, eventually, this is what happens. This is what happens out of bear markets. So if we just see down here, we've been, trapped in this area down below 20,000 for quite some time. We've had the blitz out of it at the beginning of the year, come up 20,000, gotten above it, and now we're starting to ride and look really, really good for a move up above 30,000. We're going to run into 30,000. Potentially, soon, and we're going to see what kind of resistance there. I think it will be fairly strong. We more likely won't crack it first time through, but still, the market structure is just looking that each time we've gone lower, bulls have just bought things up, and we just see the trends, just those higher lows. So low, high, low. Things are just moving up in the trend, and it looks like it wants higher. The sellers just aren't there to push this down, and well, that may not be entirely true. We're in a very interesting part of the market where we've got low liquidity. The order books on exchanges are very thin. Bitcoin's just leaving exchanges. There's not a lot of circulating supply. And again, if there's not a lot of sellers there, even a constant buying demand by spot, especially with everything happening in the macro, if there's just constant small buyers and larger buyers starting to get interested in coming in at these levels, it will just push things higher.